the game makers, organizers of the 2019 Game Developers Conference Airplays Tour, announced that scheduling for the all-new DD mentoring program is now live and ready for you to use. This is a brand new program intended to help encourage game development professionals to continue and grow in their personal careers. And you can take advantage of it. Try to now be logging into the DD Connect matchmaking tool and selecting a mentoring session type that meets your needs. Mentors, comprised of seasoned professionals across all sections of the industry, will be matched with you via the system, and meetings will take place in the DD Mentoring Lounge located in the South Hall Expo, £2 Keys for 6th grade. Session formats include available tour summits, conference summits, conference all-access pass holders, available tour expo as pass holders, to allow as many DD attendees as possible to participate in the program. Only one session selection may be made. New sessions will be added each week prior to DD, so check back in for more options. Continue planning out while your GDC 2019 experience via the official 2019 schedule builder, which continues to add new talks every week. Bring your team to DD, register a group of 10 or more and save 10% on conference passes. Learn more for more details on GDC 2019. Visit the show's official website, or subscribe to regular updates via Facebook, Twitter, or Gamasutra and DD are sibling organizations under parent company Informa. Whether you are just starting out, looking for something new, or just seeing what's out there, the Gamasutra job board is the place where game developers move ahead in their careers. Gamasutra's job board is the most diverse, most active, and most established board of its kind in the video game industry, serving companies of all sizes, from indie to AAA. Here are just some of many positions being advertised right now. If you are a recruiter looking for talent, you can also post jobs here. Location: Los Angeles, California. With our Mythical Games, a fully funded next-generation game technology company at the intersection of video games and blockchain. Our goal is to lead the industry with the launch of exceptional video game experiences that leverage blockchain technology, while also providing a platform of robust tools that will allow any other game developer to do the same. We are looking for a talented and driven backend engineer who will be responsible for designing, building, and maintaining Mythical's game platform offerings. We are looking for someone with a passion for gaming, marketplaces, or blockchain technology. Location: Bellevue, Washington. Emotional is none. Did you read that definition and expect to see a picture of you below it? Well, we should talk, because we are looking for an emotionalist. To be more specific, we are actively seeking out a cinematic animator to work with Sucker Punch's proprietary tools and engine to help us tell the emotional story of our wandering samurai in Ghost of Tsushima. Location: Baltimore, Maryland. This one-year creative residency is a unique opportunity to work closely with our students, research lab, and the larger maker community over the course of the 2019 to 2020 academic year. During the residency, the designer is expected to complete a game, or other play-based project, and will teach 12 credits per year, 2 courses per semester. We are looking for a designer making compelling work in the field of games play who wants to gain further teaching experience. The resident is expected to be an active member of the game, art, and design communities of the Maryland Institute College of Art, and the Baltimore community at large. Applicants proposing projects which creatively engage our community will be given preference. Micah and the Interactive Arts Department are committed to enriching the diversity of our faculty and pedagogical viewpoints. Candidates who demonstrate an ability to forward these goals are encouraged to apply. Location: Anton, Washington. Wizards of the Coast, the subsidiary of Hasbro, Incorporated, and the world's largest publisher of adventure games, including Magic: The Gathering trading card game and Dungeons & Dragons role-playing games, has an exciting opportunity for a senior software developer to join our Magic: The Gathering Arena team. We offer competitive salaries, a great benefits package, and the excitement of working in a creative organization. But the best part of working here is that we think creating products that bring hours of enjoyment to millions around the globe is an inherently cool way to earn a living. The Magic: The Gathering Arena team is looking for an experienced engineer to help build and maintain scalable cloud services that will support vast legions of players. As a senior software developer, you will champion solutions across multiple technology stacks to support new and existing features. In close collaboration with designers, artists, and other engineers, you will be one of the main drivers of designs and decisions within the team. Location: Warsaw, Poland. Founded in 1991, Techland is a renowned global publisher, distributor, and developer of video games. Our titles, especially Dying Light and Dying Light, the following, as well as The Dead Island, and the Call of Witmara's game series, achieved an international success and won millions of fans. Dying Light, which launched in 2015, has been played by more than 14 million people to date. In 2016, the company joined the international publishing market as Techland Publishing, and announced development of 2 AAA titles, Dying Light 2 and Fantasy Action RPG game. Thanks to industry-leading specialists and use of latest technology, Techland is committed to delivering unforgettable experiences and innovative entertainment to players around the world. Currently we are looking for a programmer. Gameplay systems. C. The main tasks at this position are the design and implementation of the playthrough in Techland's newest video games, and in particular, creating and prototyping new mechanics systems, development of already existing code, creating systems and tools for other people in the team, cooperation with artists and designers, and code optimization and debugging. The FBI announced earlier today that it took action against the 15 domains that reportedly helped take down other people's websites, game servers, and other online services through distributed denial of service (DDoS) attacks. This is pretty notable, as the holiday season tends to be plagued by DDoS attacks, at least according to the FBI. Successful DDoS attacks have been known to take down game servers, like Blizzard's Battle.net in the past, so devs should be mindful of that in the future. As reported by Kotaku, the FBI seized 15 Twitter websites that allow anybody with Bitcoin or a credit card in exchange for overwhelming a server with requests domains yesterday, including criticalboot.com, Regibutor.com, Downtime.org, and QuantumStress.net. Because booters provide less powerful DDoS attacks in exchange for little money, they have gone largely unnoticed since they tend to be marketed as stress testers, designed to help people test servers' capacities for withstanding such attacks. According to the FBI, these services are easy to find and a low barrier to entry for users looking to engage in cybercriminal activity. These services offered easy access to a tech infrastructure, payment options that included Bitcoin and were relatively low cost, reads the press release issued by the FBI. Each of the services was tested by the FBI, which verified those DDoS attack services offered through each of the seized websites. While testing the various services, the FBI determined that these types of services can have caused disruptions of networks at all levels. A few weeks ago, game designer Josh Schaefer caught the attention of his colleagues when he posted a blog about the making of his new game At the Gates. In it, Schaefer detailed how making At the Gates challenged his newly diagnosed ADHD, and how he had to aggressively reassert control over his work-life balance in order to not have his own game kill him. With game developers more and more concerned about quality of life, and because Schaefer's got a lot of insight into how 4X games are made,